Coca-Cola and KFC have secret recipes, so do martial arts. Sun Tzu said all warfare is based on deception, so ask yourself, what has your master been holding back? In traditional martial arts, secrecy happens. Hidden techniques, selective teaching, smoke and mirrors in the form of kata, forms, and one-step sparring. MMA is more open, but it's still limited by rules and weight classes. That shapes the strategies and techniques fighters can use. For instance, a fighter might train 40 different counters from a headlock on the ground. But in a real fight, a single eye jab or groin strike could end it instantly, short-circuiting all that complexity. Why master 40 moves when you only need 5 to dominate? Bruce Lee said, "The successful warrior is the average man with laser-like focus. Focus on a handful of high-leverage moves, master them, and forget the clutter of 1,000 techniques that don't reflect the chaos of real combat." Chess isn't about memorizing every possible move, it's about understanding how to win, consistently. After nearly 35 years of testing, research, and refinement, I've rediscovered the essence of Bruce Lee's street fighting system, designed to win fast even against bigger, stronger opponents. Yes, you heard that right. Could this be the secret formula that's been kept from you all these years? Check it out, and decide for yourself. If it delivers value, I'd truly appreciate a positive review. Your feedback means everything. Get your copy on Amazon free on Kindle Unlimited. Resurrecting the Bruce Lee Street Fighting System of Domination. End street fights in seconds, not rounds, by Matt Russo.